Thanks for joining Streaming TV and Movies. I'm your host, xbmc Helper. Today's video is going to show you how to set up xbmc and the add-on installers that give you the ability to watch any movie, TV show, or listen to any music absolutely free. And what we're going to do is install xbmc on our PC today. This setup is also similar to how you would do it on your MacBook or your Android device, as well as most touchpad devices. So the first thing you want to do is download xbmc onto your device. And since we're on our PC, we'll open up our browser and head on over to xbmc.org and then click on their download tab, and then you'll choose the download for the platform you want to install it on. So I'm going to install it on my Windows computer, and I'll click this link here. Just click right on the icon, and once that's downloaded and installed, you'll find that in your downloads folder inside of your browser. I have it right here, the install folder. I have the file here, so I'm going to click on it and install it, and go ahead and choose yes. And then you'll click next, I agree, next, next, install, and we'll wait for that to install. Okay, it's almost done installing. So once that's finished, go ahead and click on Run xbmc and then click Finished. At this point, we're still on xbmc 12 Frodo, but soon there'll be a new version coming out, so depending on when you're watching this, the install process will be the same. All you have to do is download it from the website, and always remember to download xbmc directly from xbmc.org. Sometimes you'll find a special version or a wizard installer, and you want to just use stock version. For xbmc to work properly, installing the stock version of xbmc is always the best way to have it work properly. So right away, this is what xbmc looks like on most devices. It may look a little different for you depending on your device, and that's usually because of the skin background, but overall it's the same thing where you have the same options like video, music, programs. And right now we want to go into System, where we're going to set up a few of the settings. Inside Appearance, the first thing I like to do is go over to Show RSS news feeds and turn that off. This tends to free up a lot of issues with buffering, and I feel that to slow xbmc down. So once that's turned off, we're going to head right on back over to the home screen. So click back, and instead of opening System this time, make sure it's highlighted. But notice right here, you're going to click on File Manager. Open up File Manager, and we're going to add two URL locations for add-ons such as Mashup, One Channel, Ice Films, 2+, and several others. So to add third-party add-ons to xbmc, open up Add Source, and then we're going to open up where it says None and type in a URL path. And the first one we're going to add is Xfinity by XBMC Talk, and it's changed recently. This is going to be the most updated URL for Xfinity XBMC Talk. So go ahead and type in http://xfinity.xunitytalk.com. Go ahead and click Done, but verify you've typed it correctly. If it isn't typed exactly as shown, it will not work properly. So go ahead and click Done, and then below we're going to add a name so you can locate it later. I always like to add a star because it just places the title at the very top of the list. You'll see that later. So add a star, and we're going to call it Xfinity. Remember, you can always use your smartphone, such as your iPhone, iPad, or any Android device, and download XBMC Remote and set it up so that you can use the keyboard feature. It makes it a lot easier for navigation and typing inside of xbmc. Check out our other video showing you how to add and use the remotes for xbmc Remote, found on any of the smartphone app markets. So once you've given this a title, go ahead and click Done, and then click OK. Now this is the Xfinity URL. We're going to add one more URL, and that's Fusion by XBMC Hub. Again, we're going to enter in the URL, which is http://fusion.xbmchub.com. Once you've typed that correctly, go ahead and click Done. And again, we're going to give this a name, and we'll do a star again, and we're going to type Fusion for the title. Once that's all typed correctly, go ahead and click OK. And real quick, I want to show you here on the browser that both Xfinity and Fusion are just web URLs. So this one here is Fusion, and you can see it's going to be the same thing that you'll see here soon, as well as Xfinity. So you can open up any one of these, and it will list what you're looking for. And this is a great way to verify that everything is up and running. So if you can't type this in your web browser and get it to come up like this, it's either down or it's changed. Remember, you can always check out our websites to verify what the newest URL is. So once you've got both of these URLs added to the file manager inside of XBMC's System, we're going to open up System this time, and we're going to go over to Add-ons. And we're going to add a few of the add-ons real quick through Install from Zip File. And if you've added the star, you'll see that on the top of the list. So we're going to start with Fusion. Inside of Fusion, you'll find Most Popular and a lot of these other options, but inside Most Popular, you'll find One Channel, Ice Films, Project Free TV, and a couple of others that I prefer. And then inside Programs, I use NaviX. And then there's quite a few others if you look inside here. So you can go into live streams, or you can go into sports, world. Here you'll find a lot of languages, and the add-ons are available for each language and country. So go ahead and open up one of these and check it out. All you have to do is open up the file, and then click on the add-on that you want, and then locate that and install it. So real quickly, if you wanted to add one channel, all you have to do is click on the repository, and that will be added to Get Add-ons. Inside of Get Add-ons, you'll find the repository for one channel. Click on it, go to Video Add-ons, choose one channel plugin, click Install. That'll download and install. While that's doing that, you can go ahead and click back and add some more. I'll go into Xfinity and show you how that works. Same thing, we can go into Plugins or Repositories. Here you'll find a list of all of the repositories for Xfinity. Some of my favorites, of course, are Mikey1234. We'll add that one, and we'll go back in real quick and add more. And then there's Mash 2K3, which you're going to have the green mashup add-on. Install that. And we'll go back in one more time, repositories. Then I'm going to choose Jason PC, which has one of my favorites, 2+. So once you've added all the favorites that you want, you can go into Get Add-ons, choose the add-on through the repository folder, such as Mikey1234, has one of my favorite add-ons for music. Inside of Mikey1234 repository, go into Music Add-ons, and locate xbmc Talk Music. Go ahead and click Install. Once that's enabled, you can go ahead and click back, and you'll find all of the add-ons in each folder, such as music or videos. Inside of music, we'll open up add-ons, and we'll locate xbmc Talk Music here. So before you open it up, you want to open up the sub menu, which will give you some options. Depending on your device, all you have to do is highlight it and right click or press the C button on the keypad. Otherwise, if you're on your Apple TV, you can always highlight it. Long press the menu button on your remote, and it'll open up this box. Otherwise, if you're on an Android device or a touchscreen device, highlight it and then push the settings button on the device hardware. So once you have this menu open, go to Add-on Information, and up to Configure, we're going to set the download path. This is for those who want to download either movies or music. So in each add-on, you're going to have sub-menu options like this. But to set it up, you're going to open up Set Download Path, and you're going to find the location of where you want it to be, depending on your device. So on my Windows PC, I'm going to go to C Drive, Users, My Name, then I'm going to go to my music folder, and I'm going to click OK once I'm inside the music folder. And then remember to click OK so you can save that setting. But once you're inside music, you will be able to stream everything you want to listen to, as well as download now. And that applies to other add-ons such as One Channel, Ice Films, and Mashup, as well as 2+. So real quick, I'm going to click on Artist, and you can just type in any artist, but quickly I'll do Adele. Click on the artist name, album, the song, and then it will populate the file list. Sometimes you have to sort through which one is the one you want, but it tends to have everything you're looking for. So once that's finished loading, you'll have a list here. Make sure you choose the right one, and then you can either right click or press the C button. As long as you open up the submenu options I referred to earlier, and then you can click Download Song, and that will end up in the folder that we selected for the location. Otherwise, all you have to do is click on the file, and it'll start streaming instantly. So xbmc Talk Music tends to have a lot of what you're looking for. And to get out of this, all you have to do is click the back button a few times, and that'll bring you to the home page. So when adding an add-on from a repository you've just installed, you have to go back into System, go to Add-ons, Get Add-ons. Here you'll have a list of repositories, and inside the repositories are the add-ons you're looking for. One of my favorites is Jason Repo, and this is a perfect example of when you've installed a repository, but for some reason it's empty. To get this to work, all you have to do is click back, and again we're going to open up that sub-menu, and we're going to choose Force Refresh this time. And it doesn't seem to do anything, but you have to click on it again, and then it'll start working. Sometimes you have to click on it again, then click back, and then on it again. But as long as it says working over here in the bottom corner, wait for that to load, and then the repository will be repopulated with the add-ons that you're looking for. Once that's finished, repository will load with the add-ons that you're looking for. So go ahead down into Video Add-ons, and inside of Jason's repository, I like to add 2+. Go ahead and click Install. Another great one by him is Movie Kingdom and Awesome DL. Once those are finished downloading, you will find them inside of your video add-on folder. Real quickly, I like to add some thumbnails to the front, and to do that you want to go into System, Appearance, Skins, scroll over to Settings, and then down at the bottom you have Add-on Shortcuts. Inside of Lyrics, I like to add this. And to do that, you want to click on Get More. Locate the CULRC lyrics. Click Install. That will start to download. Once that's finished, you have to go back. Real quickly, I'm going to add the subtitle. And again, you'll click Get More. Go ahead and click xbmc Subtitles and then Install. And then you can go back. While that's installing, you can open up Lyric Add-ons. And we'll wait for that to finish installing before we open it up again, and scroll over to Homepage Video submenu, and you'll find all of the add-ons that you've already added. And we can add like 2+, Mashup, Awesome DL, and any of the other ones like One Channel or Ice Films. And then for music, we can do xbmc Talk Music, and then for programs, we can do NaviX. Once those are all added, go ahead and click back. And then you'll find them under each category, and that should do it. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do is go into each add-on and either watch your favorite TV show or movie, or download or stream every one of your favorite songs, pretty much everything you're looking for. And there you have it, how to set up xbmc, add the URL add-ons, and how to download and install the add-ons that will give you every movie and TV show absolutely free, as well as live television and streaming music or downloads. Remember to subscribe to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Google+. Also, remember to check out our websites, streamingtvmovies.webs.com and Ouya Free. I'm XBMC Helper, and this has been Streaming TV and Movies. Remember, we're always here to help. Thanks for joining us, and have a great day.